Groww is rolling out a slew of upgrades led by AI transformation. The company is expanding Groww Prime as well. My colleague Mahima caught up with the CTO and co-founder of Groww over the weekend. Listen into a slice of that conversation.
So how is AI, going to be the next phase for this fintech space as a whole, right? How is it going to take over in terms of how different products are concerned, how the way people trade, invest, etc.?
See, in my views, I think there are a couple of ways which we are using, to help the customer using AI. One of them is better research. Now, there are a lot of AI models which are available outside. People can do the research, get everything which is available out in the public, but then there is a lot about their own personality. There's a lot about how they invest, what is their portfolio, what is their risk appetite, what is their income, what is their savings. So being on Groww platform, the AI models that we use, they have more context about the customers, which means this model is more relevant for you. So we today showcased GR1, which is our AI engine behind all this. It answers more knowing more about the customers. It is more relevant. At the same time, because we are into a regulatory space, so it is we have built safeguards in it. It is more responsible in that sense.
Yeah.
And as you know, AI can hallucinate. At the end of the day, it's a generative model. Based on the data, it predicts what is the next word to say. In that generation, it can generate something which might not be relevant or accurate.
Correct.
So we also focus on making it more accurate for the customers. So I think people can directly use AI to analyze their portfolio, to do better research, to discuss a lot of other doubts about the financial market. They can learn interacting with it, and it's going to be much more fun. The model that we have built, it is not only serving you the answers in the form of text, it is much more delightful. It has visuals, it has more colors, it has more graphs. So it is much more visually appealing for the customers. I'm pretty sure they will enjoy interacting with the GR1.
Got it. How is your adoption of AI different from what your competitors are doing? Because everybody is doing AI right now, right?
You mean adoption within company or for the customer?
Both.
I think we build everything on AI from day one. See, in earlier days, back in 2016 and 18, traditional AI models were there, but they were under the hood. So when we build our onboarding, the KYC, the entire account opening experience, where you can onboard within 2 minutes, it is built on top of AI.
Correct.
So there were models who are processing these documents, validating them at a faster speed. There are models matching your photos with your face, checking the liveliness. So right from onboarding, then the transaction experience, then report generation, the analysis of the portfolio, all of that was there in Groww from day one. We never talked about, we always focused more on the app, which is more visual and appealing to the customer. But end of the day, we have been very deeply using AI from day one. Now LLMs came into picture when end customers also get a first-hand flavor of interacting with the AI directly. That is when we also built products which are more customer-facing, AI products which are customer-facing. Instead of using in a subtle way, which we'll continue to use, these are directly available to the customer to use. So GR1 is one such example where customer can interact directly.